intro's right. What's up, YouTube? Welcome to Auntie's Curly Scoop. Riahs Curly Scoop. Welcome to Riahs Curly Scoop YouTube, and as you guys see, I am bare naked face right now, and I'm trying to figure out what makeup palette is definitely going to match this. I'm looking at this Phoenix right here. I need to get this in check. So I'm starting off with my Pond's, my daily moisturizing, my little dry skin cream, or my daily moisturizer. I'm just gonna pop one finger in, or two. So mine in the background, my niece is over here playing around on YouTube. I should put my videos on, right? I always do that to her, and she's always just like, get away. She hates it. I don't know why, but she just does. I don't mind this this primer from NYX, but I'm just gonna start using this like where I have pores, like get us coffee. Get us. I don't want coffee. Why isn't it vanilla?
I got this first.
Alright, YouTube, look at it, it's my sister, and it's my coffee from Starbucks. Get out my video. Get out my video. Guys, this is not sponsored by butts, okay? Twerking is not sponsored by YouTube. So I advise not to have twerkers in your background of your video.
Alright.
I should make her do my makeup, huh?
Yeah, come on.
I think my eyeshadow's done.
Come on, I'll try.
I gotta do my eyes first.
Thirsty after last night?
I might just go to work late because I'm that. No, so let me stop.
You're about to get fired.
I won't get fired. My boss is probably like fired. He's probably watching my YouTube videos like getting fired.
Alright, is there a small here?
Alright, so another disclaimer. I'm gonna have Y'all seen that? She almost burned my hair if it was out. Alright, my T-zone area with I use the pore filler from NYX, and I use that to fill my pores in my nose and my T-zone. And now I'm gonna go in with the E.L.F. illuminating face primer, and this is gonna give me a nice warm golden glow on my face. I love this. It's a gorgeous formula. Like, you cannot go wrong. I'm like, where's my good brush? It's Stippling Brush from Real Techniques. Okay. This is how you do your hangover makeup. You don't. You talk throughout the whole fucking video. Alright, we're gonna get into these eyes, ladies and gentlemen. I'm starting off with my Pro. This color. What color is it? Is this color Cool Tan? Get out, Angelique. She just casually sneaks in like, oh, I'm slaying tonight. And I'm just gonna fan this out with my stippling brush.
How many sausages do you want?
You can do me like 3, 4.
Alright, I'm just putting the whole thing.
Yeah, duh. There's like 8 in the package. 8 to 10.
Clearly 10.
She gonna come for me? Oh, I already feel this yellow about to slay right now. My supernova, because I'm loving this Phoenix. So I'm actually going to put that on my, I'm gonna blend that in right here on my top line. Not my top line. What the f? My crease. Is this a crease brush? It's not a crease brush. We're gonna get a crease brush and we're gonna go in right now. See, this is why you always gotta have makeup brushes on backup, ladies and gentlemen, because you never know when you about to rip one out. See, I wouldn't mind using my Morphe, but I'm a classy bitch. This brush, if I want to slay for the day.
Classy bitches don't say they're classy.
Alright, I'm not bitch. So you know I'm classy now.
That bitch don't say that either.
Shut up. Look at that yellow. These yellows are about to slay, honey. Hi. Oh, I'm gonna go in with this one right here. I'm gonna go in with that bad Larry right there. Look at us, still got the plastic on it.
Help me find the right words to say to get us back on our way. Can we try to fight again?
Yeah, she don't got your back, bro. That was so much powder, I choked on it. Did you guys see that? I blew it and it came back to me. She wants to be in my video. She wants to be in my video. Hi to YouTube. Say hi, YouTube. Alright, get out. Bye. Bye.
Oh, now
Alright guys, so right now I'm going in with this brown that I just showed you, and I'm gonna put that at the very end of my crease, at the very end of my eye, whatever. And I'm just gonna blend that in with my other two colors on my lid, and I'm just gonna see how that looks together.
so intense.
So now I'm taking my concealer and I'm just dotting a dot in the middle of my eyes so I can put another color there, but I want it to be a lot more visible, so that's why I'm putting on the concealer. Feed me, ho! This is when you get fed by your peasants. That's my peasant.
Oh, shut up.
She has a child, but she's not my peasant yet. She'll be there soon. Ooh, I'm gonna mix Pegasus and Libya. I'm Hi. Get off of me, human. I gotta finish my face. Hi. What'd you drop? What'd you just drop? Say hi, YouTube. Hey. You wanna just stab me in my face with my own brush? She just puts them down slowly, like. All right, Nugget. I gotta finish my face, mamas. All right, eyes are legit almost done. Sorry. All right, Nugget. I'm gonna need you to. These ones are good. I'm just gonna temp my liner slowly. Clean up the sides. I'm just gonna do a little wing. Better than sex. Alright, foundation. Blend it more. Leave them alone. Told you I had that.
Oh, that worked.
Yeah. stop doing that. Thank you. Concealer is just like everywhere.
Yes?
Yeah, it looks fine. Tape shape concealer, and we're just gonna dot that everywhere. This is wonderful. This is what I'm so happy.
Yeah, you should do a makeup thing. So nice to give your eyebrows.
Maybe she's getting better with eyebrows. Go to mommy for the mango. Banana baking powder because apparently I cannot find my Laura Mercier setting powder, so whatever, we're gonna substitute for something different. And I'm just gonna set my face. I miss this one because I like how when I put this on I could see exactly where it's going. She's just like, oh my god, it's all falling over me. She's like, it's fairy dust? She's like, this is freaking fairy dust. Feel the thunder. I'm just gonna use my random little brush and I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Contour 6 Cream Contour Palette. I'm gonna go with this dark shade right Pore Cosmetics Glowing Palette, and I don't normally use this with this today. Just because I want a different highlighter today, I want something subtle, but that's gonna really match this yellow that I have on. So I'm gonna go in with my blush. I'm gonna go with my Eco Tools, and I'm gonna go between this peachy color and most likely the one right next to it, the peachy and the brown. I'm gonna go in with my setting powder, my setting brush for my bronze. I think I'm gonna go with this yellowish. The yellow and the brown, I might just mix them together and see what that looks like. I'm just gonna go in with this. All right, now get it. Bye. This is my finished look for my makeup, and I'm loving it. Like, I got nice spring vibes. Please make sure you go down below, like, subscribe, comment, like, subscribe, and comment on my channel, on my videos, because I don't know what you guys like, and I don't really know what to do because I don't know what you guys like. I do what I like and what I want to do, so I can use some suggestions. Now, with that being said, make sure you guys go down below and tune into my channel and let me know when I do put up my questions on what you guys would like to see or what you guys wouldn't like to see. Whatever, I could do it all. Next video, I'm going to be featuring 2 new people. Well, 1 new person, maybe 2. We'll see how it goes. But make sure you guys tune in to RiahsCurlyScoop, only exclusive here on YouTube. And you can get this look only on RiahsCurlyScoop.